Mulia Perdana Menteri Marape beserta delegasi, saya senang PM Marape dapat kembali berkunjung ke Indonesia dan kunjungan ini menunjukkan semakin eratnya persaudaraan antara Indonesia dan PNG. Sebelumnya Indonesia juga telah menyampaikan bantuan untuk saudara-saudara kita di PNG yang tertimpa musibah tanah longsor, semoga dapat meringankan beban warga yang terdampak. Dalam pertemuan tadi kami membahas beberapa hal. Yang pertama terkait kerjasama bilateral, berlakunya perjanjian kerjasama pertahanan sangat penting untuk memperkuat keamanan kedua negara. Indonesia juga menyambut baik pelaksanaan Joint Business Forum yang kedua dan penandatanganan 2 MOU lintas batas darat untuk angkutan penumpang dan barang yang penting untuk meningkatkan ekonomi dan mempererat hubungan antara warga di perbatasan. Saya juga kembali menyampaikan pentingnya kelanjutan pembahasan Preferential Trade Agreement untuk meningkatkan perdagangan dua negara, pembaharuan perjanjian kerjasama kesehatan dan penandatanganan kerjasama pendidikan untuk mempererat kolaborasi dua negara. Terkait pembangunan jaringan listrik oleh PLN di perbatasan Skau-Wutung, dapat saya sampaikan bahwa kerjasama ini dimulai hari ini dan listrik sudah menyala di Wutung pada hari ini. Selain itu, Indonesia juga telah berkomitmen untuk mendukung pembangunan PNG dan negara Pasifik lainnya, di mana berbagai program hibah telah dilakukan dan masih terus berjalan, seperti renovasi rumah sakit di Port Moresby, pembangunan fasilitas publik di West Sepik, dan yang kedua, terkait kerjasama kawasan Pasifik, PNG sebagai tetangga dekat dan mitra strategis Indonesia, Indonesia mengapresiasi dan terus mengharapkan dukungan PNG dalam meningkatkan kerjasama dengan Pasifik termasuk MSG dan PIF. Demikian yang saya sampaikan. Selanjutnya dengan hormat saya mengundang Perdana Menteri Marape untuk menyampaikan pernyataannya. Kami persilahkan.
Next, we kindly invite the Prime Minister of the Independent State of Papua New Guinea, Honorable Mr. James Marape, MP, to deliver his press statement.
Thank you very much. His Excellency President Widodo, thank you for being a wonderful host one more time. Certainly, our ministers on both sides have witnessed us successfully completing our third Leaders Dialogue. This is a dialogue that we have initiated since 2022. 2022, I was here in a wonderful reception and meeting. 2023, President Widodo was graciously found time to visit us in Port Moresby, and today we have come back to pay respect to our two nations' relationship and also pay respect in the sunset of our great leader and our close friend of PNG as he completes his tenureship in office as President of the Republic of Indonesia. Mr. President, you have been a wonderful host, and I want to say and place on record from our front, thank you for all menace of help that Indonesia continues to give to Papua New Guinea, even in your time of flood, even in your time of landslide. I noted, for instance, there was the landslide that covered 28 people in Sulawesi, but you were able to send plane loads of relief resources into Port Moresby for the Mulitaka landslide that covered entire village, and we sincerely appreciate your continued warmth and hospitality that is shown to Papua New Guinea. My delegation and myself are extremely pleased that this third Leaders Dialogue is completed very well. And without repeating much of what my Indonesian President, His Excellency Widodo, has emphasized, but the MOUs that we saw being exchanged, whether in health or in education or in transportation, are meant to continue on, cement the brother and sister relationship we have with the people of Indonesia and people of Papua New Guinea, the country of Indonesia and the country of Papua New Guinea. The future must be secured by today's interventions as the past that we've lived up till today. And we respect each other's sovereignty, but we live in the same space. Two people, two culture. You have unity in diversity here, over 17,000 different islands under one republic. We too have more than 600 different islands with their matching own cultures, over 800 languages under one sovereignty. And so we understand your unity and diversity as you would understand our unity and diversity. And I want to say that this relationship is standing in the right space in as far as PNG is concerned. Before President Widodo and myself started this dialogue, most of our relationship were border-centered. It was centered on border issues, but we've turned in the right space now. Indonesia have more capacity in commerce and trade, more capacity in education, more capacity in health, more capacity in technology, more capacity in businesses. Papua New Guinea foreign relationship is now also about commerce, trade, and other aspects of relationship. And we've started this journey 3 years ago. Today, we witnessed 4 MOUs being exchanged between departments on both governments. And I want to say this continues on in many of the good work we've done. I want to place on record our sincere appreciation for your help to development aspirations of West Sepik. I put to you also Western Province. They share the same borders. I want to say thank you for the power that is now at Wutung. And I look forward to accessing power from Jayapura, going forward into the future from our many hydro potentials we have in PNG and geothermal potentials. We also can be generating cleaner power to export back to Indonesia for Indonesian businesses to harvest or use energy harvested from cleaner sources. Mr. President, I am looking forward to my visit to give respect to the incoming president later today. And we are absolutely certain that the work that you have started with me will carry on not just between our 2 ministers and our respective departments, but as the new president assumes full office later this year, will continue on in the same spirit of building strong Indonesia-PNG relationship and maintaining the aspect of relationship more into economy, commerce, and trade. We'll be looking forward for more investors from Indonesia to find business address in Port Moresby. Likewise, we have discussed for more of PNG produces to be also exported to the big market here in Indonesia. And Mr. President, I am absolutely happy with the way we've turned out. To Indonesian people here, I want to say in conclusion, what a wonderful leader your president has been. And part of my visit here is to also pay respect to him as he completes his tenureship in office. He has been a wonderful statesman for Indonesia and for our region as we both live in Asia Pacific region of planet Earth. Going forward into the future, many opportunity remains available for both nations, as well as the shared challenges that are common on both sides. Climate change related challenges, people related challenges. We give commitment in these sort of dialogues that we will work together to overcome all challenges going forward into the future. Mr. President, Papua New Guinea stands ready to work with your governments into the future, your departments into the future, but more importantly, your businesses and people going forward. Mr. President, thank you very much.